story of water spinning balls can be traced back more than 2,500 years to ancient China, although some early records that it extends to the 5th century BC. The ball reached the peak of its popularity during the Han Dynasty. Traditionally, the base of the ball is often decorated with carvings of 4 dragons or fish. When someone rubs the handle, water will gush directly from the mouth of a dragon or fish, which in Chinese culture symbolize strength, good luck, and natural harmony.
I rubbed the handle of the basin, but the friction produced was too small to produce strong vibrations. Vibrations that traveled to the water were very weak and unable to form a clear wave. As a result, the water showed no significant movement.
I gently rubbed the handle of the basin, creating friction and a slight vibration. This vibration traveled through the basin into the water, producing only a small splash. This shows that the size of the wave depends on the strength of the vibration.
I tried rubbing the basin handle with more force and rhythm to create large waves. The faster and more steadily I rubbed, the stronger the vibration, resulting in a higher and more numerous splashes.
I rubbed the handle of the basin with a steady and regular rhythm until the water splash reached their maximum height. This is where the magic of physics reveals itself. When the rubbing is done with the right and consistent rhythm, the system reaches a stage of resonance. Resonance occurs when a frequency and external vibration. In this case, the movement of my hand was in the natural frequency of the basin and water system, causing the resulting vibration to amplify significantly.
Can we use basin or other system? I think it would be more fun if we could.
Yeah. Is it possible to use something else? Maybe like a plastic basin?
It should be possible, but I don't know how to explain it. Maybe Rangga or Nadia now?
There is one more thing, the difference in geometric design.